welcome to Cool Python Course tutorial, and in today's tutorial we'll show you how you can define a function in Python. And I'll be using CuPython 3 on Android phone. CuPython 3 on Android phone. You can watch the video on how to run Python course on Android. I'll post the link there also. So let us go to editor. So we are on editor. So to define a function in Python, you start with your keyword def. But since I'm writing a program that will calculate the square root of a number, I have to import a module first, which is math. Okay, I've imported the math. So to define a function, we start with the keyword def, followed by our function name. Our function name will be square underscore root. Then we put, after our function name, we include a parenthesis. So we have opened our parenthesis. Now we have to include an argument or a parameter, anyone you choose, but I usually love using argument. So our argument will be number, which is the number we want to find the square root. So we now include our colon. Then we press enter. It goes to the next line. And remember, we have to indent our code so that we don't have any error. To indent your code, on above my keyboard, you see in the left hand side, you see like an arrow, not completing an arrow, but a direction sign showing left and right. You click on the right one to indent. So I've indented the code. So we can describe our code using a docstring. To describe our function, you put a quotation sign. Our function calculates the square root of a number. Okay, so we have described our function. So any programmer that is reading our program will know what that function does, even if we don't use square root underscore function as our keyword, as our function name. So we press our enter key. Remember, it goes to the next line, but we have to redact our code again. So let's create a variable that stores the square root of the number. So let us use result as our variable, and assign it. To calculate, to compute the square root of a number, you use math.sqrt. Then this math.sqrt needs to get an argument, and the argument we include will be number, and you have to make sure that it is the same with the argument you put in your function in that your first line, that def square underscore root parenthesis open number then close. So we have to include number. So we press enter. Let's see, our program should print the result. Print result. No, sorry, it's a very, we want the result. So we're through with defining our function. So we have to call our function. To call our function, you write the function name first, square underscore root, square underscore root. You open your parentheses. Remember, we had one argument, so we include an argument number. Our number should be 169. We can get any number, any random guess, any number. Let me try another number. Square root underscore root bracket. Let's try 225. I hope it's a perfect square, whether we will get a square root. So we have called our function square underscore root parenthesis 169, and we'll also try for 225. First of all, we have to run our program. Save our program, and you on top, just above my keyboard, you see something that looks like a floppy disk. Click on it to save. Then on file name, you input your file name. Let's say square root .py. So you click on that good button, then you have saved your program. You notice that as you save your program, the import will have something like a green color, and the calculate the square root has something like a light blue color. So we have to now run our program. To run our program, above my keyboard, you see something like an icon that is like a play button. So you click on it, and voila, our program has been run, and it says 13 and 15. Sorry, someone was calling me. Sorry. 13 and 15. So to learn more about Python functions, go to coolpythoncourse.com. And subscribe. Try and subscribe to get more exclusive tips in Python. Yeah, I will also do more tutorials. And I'll also drop useful links. So make sure you comment and subscribe to my channel. See you later, and bye bye.